Here is a SMC Laguna 36-inch in white and brass, or just white, whatever. And I got this from Fanimation probably 2 years ago now. I can't remember. It's been a while. That's all I know. But it's just another one for the Laguna collection. I got a pretty good size Laguna collection. I'm just after all the finishes in the Laguna model. I got the antique brass ones to go yet, and a couple of polished brass ones maybe. I don't know. Definitely a couple brown ones, a couple white ones, antique brass for sure, especially 24K. But anyway, I'll start up on low. This fan's an absolute powerhouse too. I don't use this one much in here, only because I'm not on that side of the room. But I can just kick up on the medium and just blow the breeze. Which it's on medium right now. Okay, I'm going to high. And off. It does have a wobble to it. I never use it on high in here just because I think that's like the first or second time I've had it on high. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.